to
K2M
Unboxing and Reviews. Today we have Mr. PJ Mask's man with us. Which PJ Mask are you? Your cat boy?
Huh?
Your gecko? So we have Mr. Gecko PJ Mask here. Today he will be unboxing for us this PJ Mask Super Smile set. This set comes with, comes with a toothbrush holder, a toothbrush, and a rinse cup. And it says it now includes a travel toothbrush. Let me help Mom take that out. This is tape on. So there's a holder for everything. So there's a cup holder, a toothbrush holder, and this is one full area. So this is the base. There's a base, toothbrush holder, and whatever this is. That toothbrush and the cup. And the So I think this is just a design to show its PJ Masks. Should we open up the toothbrush and show them? Let's go.
Let's go.
So these are attached onto this. And let me open it for you. It's foldable. Wow. That's what it means. Foldable. Rush cat boy seat. Portable. It's foldable. Rushing cat boy. Portable. So this thing's pretty simple and it's pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and please like this video. And please hit the bell icon. And make sure your teeth are clean. Bye bye.